Hey everyone, this is the break for break number 5 for the 2011-2012 Rookie Anthology box. And it's like our last one just finished at 15:43 Pacific time. And give you the time right now. And refresh it. It is 7:06 Eastern Time and Pacific Time be 4:06. And let's show you our list here, everybody. Hopefully everybody can see it. Okay, and here's our box, all sealed and waiting to go. So let's get started on it. Okay. Got our extra pack. 5 packs. Other 5 packs. Box. Okay. Cool. Good luck, everyone. Okay, first we got a base, and we have Keith Kincaid for the New Jersey Devils, freshman signatures. Decoy, base, and the base. Two. Have a base, and it's like a Crown Royal rookie royalty, Marc-Andre Burton for the Philadelphia Flyers. Nice hit for the Flyers. We got a decoy, base, and the base. Upside down, got a base, and for the Nashville Predators, rookie pinnacle, left wing Gabriel Bourque, the Predators. Hopefully it'll get that with that shiny card, but that's for the Predators. Got a decoy, base, and a base. Okay, got a base, 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 and a rookie treasures for the Anaheim Ducks, Peter Holland, 2 colors. Very nice. Got a base and a base. Okay, got a base, base, and rookie pinnacle, Corey Tropp from the Buffalo Sabres. Another shiny card. Decoy, base to base. And you got a base, base, and for the Phoenix Coyotes, freshman signatures, Andy Miele, nice signature there, for the Phoenix Coyotes. Decoy, base, the base. Okay, you got a base, base, and rookie pinnacle for the Ottawa Senators, Mark Bowiczki, I believe is how his name is pronounced. And we got a decoy, the base, and the base. 3 more packs. And we got base, base for the Anaheim Ducks, Peter Holland, rookie pinnacle. Decoy, the base, and the base. Okay, we got a base, base, and Calder contenders for the Edmonton Oilers, Anton Lander. Got a decoy, base, and the base. The last pack here. Okay, we got a base, base, and a rookie treasures for the Colorado Avalanche. Autograph. Looks like part of a patch too. Gabriel Landeskog. Very nice card. Colorado Avalanche. We got a base and a base. And our extra pack. Let's see what we got here. We got Crown Royal for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Thomas Kubalik autograph. Columbus Blue Jackets.